Interesting facts that you haven't heard of.
There used to be an animated series on Rubik's Cube called Rubik the Amazing Cube created by Erno Rubik. There was a full season on ABC, somehow, of Rubik, the Amazing Cube. 13 episodes aired on Saturday mornings in 1983. The cube had legs, a face, and magical abilities, and even Menudo did their part, performing the title song. This cartoon will start with 4 kids discover that their Rubik's Cube is alive, and endowed with amazing powers. And this cartoon was created by Erno Rubik, who invented Rubik's Cube. He itself faced lots of difficulty to solve his invention. Want to know more about his Rubik's Cube journey? Link in the description.